Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we have a wiring video for the MK32, N7, and NEO3 Pro. This video will be divided into 3 parts. What equipment and materials are needed? How to install them? How does the camera feed appear on the remote controller? Alright, let's begin the demonstration. What equipment and materials are needed? In this video, you will see the following equipment: MK32, N7, NEO3 Pro, and the following wiring materials: MK32 SBUS cable, TELEM1 cable, N7 power module, GPS CAN connection cable. How to install them? First, connect the SBUS port of MK32 to the RC channel of N7 using the MK32 SBUS cable. The connector for MK32 SBUS port is GH1.25mm 3-pin, and for N7 flight controller RC port it is DuPont 2.54mm 3-pin. Next, use the TELEM1 cable to connect the telemetry port of MK32 to TELEM1 port. The connector for MK32 telemetry port is GH1.25mm 4-pin, and for N7 TELEM1 port it is GH1.25mm 6-pin. Then, use the CAN connection cable to connect NEO3 Pro to the CAN1 port of N7. The connector is GH1.25mm 4-pin. Finally, connect the N7 power module to power N7, and connect power to the MK32 receiver. This completes half of our setup. How does the camera feed appear on the remote controller? Since NEO3 Pro requires parameter settings before use, first connect the flight controller to the computer using a USB cable. Open the MP ground station, and in the parameter list, set the required parameters for NEO3 Pro. CAN-D1 driver set to 1. CAN-P1 driver set to 1. GPS TYPE set to 9. NTF LED type set to 231. After setting these parameters, restart and refresh the parameters. Alright, congratulations on achieving another small goal. Next, open the QGC on the remote controller, and use QGC to connect and unlock the drone. Click the menu in the top left corner, select Application Settings, click Communication Links, and add a tag. Set the following parameters. Type UDP. Port 19856. Addresses 192.168.144.12. After saving, return to the home page and you'll see QGC connecting. successfully, try to unlock and rotate the drone, confirming that QGC is working properly. By now, you should know how to operate this. That's it for this video. We hope your questions have been answered. For more updates, please follow us. See you in the next video.